Are you a veterinarian who wants to start seeing exotic pets but feels completely out of your depth? Maybe you're a little nervous about handling fragile birds, deciphering reptile husbandry, or just figuring out what's safe for rabbits and guinea pigs. I get it. Exotic species can be intimidating, but with the right guidance, you can become confident treating them. I'm Dr. Kristen Turner. I'm a veterinarian board certified in exotic companion mammal practice. I've dedicated my career to providing excellent care for exotic species, and now I'm helping vets like you feel comfortable and competent treating exotic pets. That's why I created Exotic Vet Med Essentials, a course designed to take you from terrified to touch an iguana to smoothly saving a sugar glider in just 6 weeks. This course is RACE approved for 12 hours of CE credit and is packed with everything you need to get started with exotic patients. You'll get 12 hours of RACE-approved pre-recorded modules that you can watch at your convenience, bonus lesson transcripts, videos, species-specific husbandry questionnaires, and knowledge summaries. We're going to cover avian, exotic companion mammal, and reptile and amphibian species, and we'll have weekly live group coaching calls with me to get all of your exotic questions answered. So what exactly will you learn in this course? The course is divided into modules covering the fundamentals of avian, exotic companion mammal, and reptile and amphibian medicine, including anatomy and physiology, where we'll understand the key differences that make exotic pets unique and how those differences impact their medical care. Husbandry, the essential environmental, dietary, and behavioral needs for each species so that you can provide accurate client education and prevent common husbandry-related illnesses. Restraint and physical exam, master safe and effective handling techniques, species-specific restraint methods, and how to perform thorough, stress-free exams. Preventative care and basic techniques. Discover how to provide wellness care, vaccinations, nutrition guidance, parasite prevention, as well as routine diagnostics for different exotic species. Recognition, diagnosis, and treatment of common diseases. Get practical guidance on identifying and treating common conditions seen in exotic pets, from respiratory infections in birds to dental disease in rabbits to metabolic disorders in reptiles. And to make sure you get the personalized attention and support you need throughout this intensive course, I limit enrollment to just 10 veterinarians per session. This ensures an intimate small group setting where you can ask questions, get direct feedback, and truly build confidence. Listen to what Dr. Megan, an alumnus from Exotic Vet Med Essentials, had to say.
Hi, I'm Dr. Megan, a graduate of Dr. Kristen Turner's Exotic Vet Med Essentials class. And I got so much out of this class, both from the lectures and from the group calls. Dr. Turner is a great teacher. Her lectures are really engaging, and she's very helpful and fun and super non-judgmental about even the most basic questions in the group calls. So whether you've been seeing exotics and reptiles and want to level up your game, or if you're just getting started, Kevin and I can attest that Dr. Turner's class is awesome.
You can watch the modules at your own pace, and once enrolled, you'll get access for a full year, plus lifetime access to all downloadable resources. This means no more scrambling for reliable exotic vet info when you need it. If you're ready to stop turning exotic pets away and start feeling confident treating them, Exotic Vet Med Essentials is exactly what you need. And with 12 hours of RACE-approved CE, it's a smart investment in your career. Spots are limited to just 10 veterinarians per session, so don't wait. Sign up now at my website, www.theexoticvetconsultant.com, and drop me a message or comment if you have any questions about the course. Thanks for watching.